Hey there, struggling with a persistent blue tint on your LG monitor? You are in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps and solutions to tackle the issue of how to fix LG monitor blue color. By the end of this guide, you'll have the skills to restore your screen to its intended color balance. Step 1. Check the cable connection. The first thing to do when addressing color issues is to check the cable connection. Ensure your HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cables are firmly connected to both the monitor and your computer. Loose connections can sometimes cause color imbalances, including a blue tint. If possible, try using a different cable or port to eliminate the possibility of a faulty connection. Step 2. Adjust the monitor settings. Your LG monitor comes with its own menu settings that allow you to adjust the screen's color balance. To do this, access the on-screen menu. Press the monitor's menu button to open the on-screen display. Navigate to Color Settings. Use the monitor's buttons to scroll to the Color Settings or Color Balance section. Adjust color balance. Look for options such as color temperature, RGB balance, or blue light filter. Try adjusting these options to reduce the blue tint, setting them to neutral or factory defaults. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers may also lead to display issues, including incorrect colors. Follow these steps to ensure your drivers are up to date. Access Device Manager. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. Locate Display Adapters. Expand the Display Adapters section and right-click on your graphics card. Update Driver. Choose Update Driver and let Windows search for new drivers. Alternatively, visit the GPU manufacturer's website for the latest driver version. Step 4. Calibrate color using software. If adjusting the monitor settings doesn't resolve the blue tint, try using software to calibrate your display. Use built-in calibration. On Windows, type Calibrate Display Color into the search bar and select the option. Follow the on-screen instructions to adjust the color balance and gamma. Mac User's Guide. On Mac, go to System Preferences, Displays, Color tab, and click Calibrate. Follow through the Display Calibrator Assistance steps. Third-party tools. Consider third-party tools like DisplayCal for more precise color calibration and a user-friendly interface. Step 5. Test with another device. To determine if the problem is with your LG monitor or your computer, try connecting your monitor to a different device. If the blue tint persists even with another computer or device, the issue might be with the monitor itself, which could require professional repair or replacement. Dealing with screen color imbalance can be frustrating, but with this guide on how to fix LG monitor blue color, you should be able to restore your display to its proper state. Always start with the simplest solutions like checking connections, then move on to more involved fixes like driver updates and software calibration if needed. Remember, if these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be worth consulting with LG support or considering a hardware inspection. Thanks for tuning in and happy troubleshooting.